This is our FT-AV laser blocker orange laser outsert. It blocks harmful green and blue laser wavelengths, protects against flash blindness and eye injury from laser aiming modules and handheld devices. Commonly deployed by federal agencies, Border Patrol, and other tactical teams, always demo with care. This lens is not for casual use. When demonstrating, shine the laser on the wall and allow the customer to hold up the lens and look through the lens at the wall. The dot should appear as a soft yellow or white color, showcasing how the lens filters out the harmful wavelength and protects the viewer. All outserts shown here are compatible with Avon's C50, FM50, FM53, and FM54 respirators. For laser-rated outserts, always confirm lens spec, optical density, and visual light transmission requirements before deployment.